In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconnect Salesforce Authenticator to your Salesforce account. We'll walk through the full reset and reconnection process in a clear, simple way so you can get back into your account and make sure your multi-factor authentication is working properly again. If your Authenticator app is out of sync, tied to an old profile, or simply not approving your login request correctly, this process will help you clean things up and reconnect it the right way. Start by opening Google Chrome and signing in to your Salesforce organization. If you're currently unable to approve the login through the Authenticator app, use a backup code or an administrator bypass method to access your account. The goal here is just to get into Salesforce so you can manage your existing authentication connection. Once you're logged in, go into Setup and navigate to your user detail page. On that page, look for the option to disconnect Salesforce Authenticator. Click Disconnect to remove the old connection from your user profile. This is an important step because it tells Salesforce to stop expecting approvals from the previous device connection. Next, pick up your mobile device and open the Salesforce Authenticator app. Inside the app, find the old connected account profile and delete it. Removing that outdated profile helps prevent confusion and makes sure you're starting fresh with a clean connection. If you leave the old profile in place, it can sometimes cause login approval issues later. After that, return to the Chrome window. You should see the MFA prompt again. Click Connect to begin linking the app once more. Salesforce will display a new two-word phrase. On your phone, use the Authenticator app to add the account again and make sure the phrase shown on your mobile device matches the phrase displayed in Salesforce. Once the phrases match, complete the connection to finish pairing your account with the app. As a final check, make sure your mobile phone's clock is set to automatic time and date in your device settings. This small setting matters more than many people realize. If your phone's time is even slightly off, it can create synchronization delays that interfere with approval requests or cause the app to behave inconsistently. After completing these steps, your Salesforce